From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
Well, over the past couple of days, we've been talking about this ridge of high pressure that has been building and allowing for those temperatures to reach the triple digits. It's still going to be that way for today, but then we're going to be watching as a weak cold front moves through our region, bringing back some cooler weather and the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms. To start off your morning, though, we're waking up to clear conditions, just a few clouds across the area this morning, but you will want to make sure you bring a rain jacket or at least an umbrella for later on this evening in case you do get caught in one of those storms or rain showers. Outside right now, temperatures are pretty cool. We're into the 60s and a few 50s. Muleshoe right now off to the west, but off to the east, it's a little bit warmer with temperatures into the 70s. Nearly all of the South Plains is going to get really hot today and to the upper 90s and 100s. In fact, here in Lubbock, we'll reach about 100 degrees late this afternoon, but then we'll also be watching for a few showers and thunderstorms to develop after around 4 o'clock. So going hour by hour, notice as we head on to around the evening hours, maybe a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, but it's really going to be the late evening hours when we can expect maybe a greater potential for some of those showers and thunderstorms to move on through thanks to that cold front. Now, what's going to happen is that cold front's going to move through. It's going to bring a little bit more heavier rain to some portions of the rolling plains. So some of our eastern counties and northeastern counties could get clipped a little bit more than some of our central and western counties, but there still is that potential to see a few showers and thunderstorms developing as that cold front continues to move on through. That clears out overnight. We'll be left with a few lingering showers possible tomorrow morning and into the afternoon hours. But then by the late evening hours, we will be left with mostly clear conditions. Anything that develops later on this afternoon and evening could be strong to severe, especially in some of our northern counties as they are in a slight risk for severe weather. They have a little bit of a greater potential to see that severe weather later on this evening, with the rest of the South Plains in a marginal risk for severe weather. After today and into tomorrow, that's our only rain chances over the next couple of days. Our next point of view will actually be into the tropics as this low pressure system continues to develop and move into warmer waters. The National Hurricane Center has it about a 90% chance of formation into a tropical depression within the next 48 hours. And what that means is once that continues to develop, some of the models are actually taking it up the Louisiana coast and not really into the Texas coast, but we still could see that potential as it's still several hours out. But what that means for us here in West Texas is that it's going to draw a lot of moisture from us. So we're not going to see a lot of rainfall here in West Texas over the next several days. And that's why we're only having that rain potential for today and into tomorrow. And then after that, we're seeing those drying conditions. Today, though, at least for the first half of the day, will be dry with temperatures topping out at about 100 degrees. Tonight, those showers and thunderstorms will clear out, leaving us with mostly clear conditions and that low temperature of 68 degrees as that cold front continues to slide on through this evening. It drops our high temperatures tomorrow to 90 degrees, so at least a 10-degree difference compared to today. So you'll definitely notice it as you step out the door tomorrow. We're also going to have a little bit of more cloud cover tomorrow as well, which will inhibit that sun from beating down on you. So even though 90 is still hot, we will still feel a lot cooler than today. Notice how we also don't have any rain chances over the next several days thanks to that tropical depression.
Yeah, I definitely think that the clouds and a 10-degree drop in those temperatures we're going to be very thankful for by the end of the day today. It's going to be a tough 2 days getting through the triple-digit heat, so we just have to hang on a little longer.
It is, and if you have anything that you need to do outside today, try to do it at least in the early morning hours or later evening hours if you're not caught in any of those showers or storms.
Yeah.